the original superfood, dark leafy greens. We have fought countless times with our parents to not eat the dark leafy greens and vegetables. Our parents have told us countless times that they also have refused to take their greens when they were young. Yet dark leafy greens and vegetables are recommended in every culture for the benefit of health. Hello and welcome to our series about superfoods. In this video, we will tell you about dark and leafy vegetables. For more health tips and great videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification for our latest videos. Eating a lot of greens can have many health benefits to you. First, let's see what the dark green leafy vegetables are. These are kale, spinach, Swiss chard, collard greens, turnip greens, etc. Most of the green and leafy vegetables come under this category. What makes these green leafy vegetables a superfood? A substance that is found in all plants is chlorophyll. What it does is act as a blood detoxifier, which helps increase circulation to all your organs. It is also a natural deodorant because it helps reduce offensive body odors. Dark leafy greens are great for losing weight. Dark leafy greens and vegetables have a lot of nutrients but very few calories. They can fill you up quickly and easily. Taking leafy greens is good at the time of craving. Dark leafy greens can help boost your immune system as they have powerful antioxidants. They are a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Bottom line is, eating dark leafy green vegetables is one of the greatest things you can do to your body. They do so much for our bodies, so we do not have to worry too much about being healthy. Another good thing is that there is no harm in eating dark leafy greens. So go out there and start eating more greens. After all, you want to be healthy, right? Do not forget to tell everyone what you know about the benefits of greens as well so they can make that same decision as well. To get more information about superfoods, losing weight, and health from our experts, please click the link provided in the description. If you like our videos, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health. See you in the next video.